Good morning! Happy Saturday, everyone! So, pasok na po ako sa work. Today is my Monday. So, good luck! Okay? Good morning! Happy blessed Saturday to you guys. Going to work. Work. Medyo malamig ngayon. Tingnan mo yung kapaligiran. Tingnan mo si Mother Nature. Mother Nature, bakit ganon? Ayoko pa ng winter. Hindi pa ako ready ng winter. Diba? Okay. Nasa highway na po tayo. Okay, tingnan mo. Malamig ang panahon. Papasok na sa building ng work ko. Yan. Diyan ako nag-work. Diyan. Diyan yung birthing. Parking lot ng work ko. Alright, again, have a nice day. Happy weekend, everyone. So happy Saturday. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Until my next live video. Bye. Work. Mag-iwan ng baka sa baba para mabisitahan ko yung bahay mo, para sabay-sabay tayo aangat. O, diba? Bye! God bless!